Guys, one of the best Korean fried chicken I've tried is now in SM Fairview. This is Daily Beer. Alam nyo ba na award-winning Korean chicken and beer chain ito? And they have 400 plus branches worldwide. At ang swerte natin kasi they currently have 2 branches na in the Philippines. Now, let's try their bestsellers. They have 6 Angry Bird flavors. I like the original kasi malalasahan mo yung linamnam ng chicken meat and kung gaano ka-juicy. My favorite, the Angry Bird Crunch, sweet spicy powder na kakabitin sa sarap. Angry Bird Honey Golden, it's sweet, salty, very addictive. The Angry Bird Red, it's sweet with a spicy kick. The Angry Bird Black, I like this also. It's garlicky, slightly sweet, rich flavor. For spicy lovers, the Angry Bird Sriracha. It's tangy, spicy, with extra heat. Sobrang sulit kasi imagine for as low as 550 pesos, yung half tray nila ang dami, nasa around 8 to 10 pieces per tray. At syempre, hindi lang chicken ang bida. They have tteokbokki. I also love their kimchi crunch cheese balls. Look at the cheese pool plus nachos and salads. Best part is the pairing. Korean craft beer, Sub-Zero freeze beer flight. Super sarap ng beer kapag super lamig. I tried their coffee beer. It's smooth, slightly bitter, perfect with fried chicken. Gets ko na why it's trending. Super juicy, tender, and bawat flavor may sariling character. Guys, check out Daily Beer and comment which flavor you'd try first.